Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 29. This is Section 2.1, Problem 29. It says convert the improper fraction 34/5 to a mixed number. So we want to write this as a number with a fraction. Because the numerator is larger than the denominator, I know this a little bit more than 1. So the way you're supposed to do it is divide the bottom, the 5, the denominator, into the numerator. Now, before I even start this, I know if it was 35 over 5, the answer would be 7. So I know it's a little less than 7, just to give myself an idea of what to expect. So let's do this division. So 5 divides into 3, it will not fit. So next I try 5 divides into 34. The closest I can make it fit is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. And now I will subtract 34 minus 30, which will give me 4. That's a good answer because it's less than the number in front of the division. It's less than the 5. So I've found the best fit that I can. And now the remainder is the numerator of my answer. And the denominator is the same denominator. It was a 5. It's going to stay a 5. So 34/5 is equivalent to 6 4/5, which is a little less than 7. So my estimate was reasonable.